Once fishermen's cottages, 12 joined in a row. Windows shaped differently to show a candlelit glow. Wives would send signals to their loved ones at sea. "Come home now, darling, it's time for your tea." Named after a Pirnmill where bobbins were made, with views to Kintyre across the ocean's blue shade. Coire Fhionn Lochan shares a white gravel beach, a bubble-like place between the mountains you'll reach. You see, it's not just the mountains that leave you in awe, the lochans that lie in between will and all. Imachar, with its grey canyon-like beach, rock formations so strange, enchantingly unique. Sand, pebbles and rocks, changing coastline all round. The geology on Arran is unique, you will find. Machrie Moor is real special, with stones that stand tall. 18 feet is the tallest. They will make you feel small. What were they used for? How deep do they stand? Ponder a while in this remarkable land. A tangible silence with mysterious stories to tell. Imagine the lives of the people as well. Humans before us are still there in spirit. Listen, touch, feel the history within it. Historical treasures are scattered all over this moor, with sunrise and sunset bringing a mystical allure.